everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing something super exciting. I'm going to be painting my own shoes. So here are the shoes I'm going to be painting today, and these are Nike Court Vision mids. So they are very similar to Jordan 1 mids, but they are a lot cheaper. I got mine from a website for £45, and so I will link them in the description down below so you can go and check them out if you want to. But there are a few differences to the Visions and the Jordan ones. Of course, the Jordan ones have the logo, but these obviously don't because they're not Jordans, and some of the stitching is in slightly different places to the Jordans, but overall they look, you know, very similar to the shoe. But I don't think these come in many different colours, so that is why I'm going to be painting mine. I'm going to be doing them this light kind of green colour. I'll put a picture here of what I want the shoes to actually look like in the end, and of course I have all the other little bits that you need to paint shoes. So I have some acrylic finisher here, and also some duller so that the paint isn't shiny, and then also this is to like prepare your shoes and to get the like shine off them so you can actually paint them. So I bought my paint and everything else from this website called Sneaker Science, so I will also link them down below if you wanted to paint your own shoes, because the prices were pretty reasonable and it came with this cute little book. Like, look, that's just adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs and set everything up. Okay, so the first step is to use this deglazer thing, which basically just preps the leather for like painting. Imagine the lid just opens and it just goes everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna do the front bit first, and then we're gonna paint the tick and also this bit down here. So, quick little update, I've painted the front bit of it and also the inside sort of rim bit, and then I've just done this tick and I've got that one to go, and then the first layer is done. Coat is done. So we've painted the tick, the bit around here, and then the front, and then at the back we decided to paint the Nike there and then also the bottom bit. So we're gonna wait for the first coat to dry and then obviously do a second coat. Yeah, we're going good. Second coat all done. They're starting to look a lot better now. Before you could kind of see, oh, are you kidding me? Because before you could see some of the paint strokes. So I think we're gonna do 2 more layers and then see what they look like, and then put the laces back in. So we've finished all the coats of paint on the shoe and it looks quite cool, and the last step is to add this acrylic finisher, which basically just locks the paint in place and makes sure that it doesn't crack when you actually wear the shoe, and then that'll be done. so there are the shoes all complete, and I am honestly so happy with how they turned out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can always be notified when I upload a new video, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye!